Hello everyone, Sejr here. I received my May card kit in the mail today and I'm excited to see what's inside it. So as always, I don't know, well, a little different today because I recently joined Scrapping for Less's Facebook page, and so I kind of get an idea now of what's in these kits. So I guess it's a toss-up. You can join the Facebook group, but you will start knowing what's in it. However, I tried my best to not look too deeply into it, so I am still a little bit surprised what's inside it. So I'll open the box up. There's everything. I'm going to close it, and then we'll go one by one in no particular order. We'll start with the paper. We get a nice collection of paper this time. We always get 2 pieces of Ninon Classic Crest, 110 pound. We have a piece of Orange Fizz. This looks like Sour Apple, Groat Gray, Wild Cherry, Blue Raspberry, and a Lemon Drop. These are all 100-pound paper and really beautiful. Not sure what the collection is. I was thinking rainbows, but it's not a complete rainbow, so this will be very interesting. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show is collection 2 called Easy Peasy. You always get an envelope. It feels a little different this time. Not a bad thing, just an observation. Okay, so the paper we get is Screaming Lemonade. Beautiful lemon paper. We'll just quickly go through these. All different shades of yellows, blues, and greens, and they're all inspired by lemon trees and lemons. Really nice. Love this paper. Really like this one. This one's really drawing me. And a nice plaid. So those so far are really nice pieces of pattern paper. You do get a piece of Yellow Twine by Doris that matches the paper very well. And then you get some enamel dots by Jean Marais. These ones are looking like white. Kind of have like a bluish tinge, but could be just the light. And then for the stamp set, you have some lemons, an Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. That is so cute. I'm probably going to use that one. That one's funny. And then you get Squeeze the Day, lemons, and you just get these nice little accents for flowers and the juice spraying here. This one kind of looks like if you can get in there, that one kind of looks like a smiley face, but it might be a seed. I'm not sure. So that's collection number 2. The next collection is collection number 1 called Love Big. We'll start with the envelope, which each collection gets, and then through the paper, we'll just quickly go through this. Nice and simple, Bigfoot, flowers, very clean designs. This one is really cool, kind of retro, colorful, green dots, very beautiful, very simple, usable on a lot of cards and patterns that don't take away from your design. Really nice pattern paper for this collection as well. You also get some chalk heart stickers. I got 2 hearts and 2 circles, or ovals, sorry. So I guess if I had some chalk on it, but I'll probably just use a white pen or something. So those are really nice. I like the little accents on those. So you get those. You do get these really beautiful flowers by Jolie's, I think it is. I think I'm missing a rhinestone on mine, but it doesn't matter because just the shape of it alone is really fun. So you can easily add your own. You can add a sequence, or you could just use it as is. It's not a big deal. But I love these. These are so fun. Little simple hearts in different colors. Those are really cool. And of course, you do get the stamp set, and this one has a Yeti on it. How adorable is that? That is so cute. He's holding a little flower, a little heart, and don't stop believing. Great sentiment. I love it. Love big, seek find, and then you have the Bigfoot's foot there. Really cute stamp set. So that's what you get for collection number 1, called Love Big. The next one I'm going to show you is collection number 3, called Weather Together. And sorry, and you get the envelope, of course, and let's go through the paper. Each collection always comes with paper. So we have a nice sunny, weathery, oh beautiful, nice rainbow. See, I was thinking rainbows from the card collection, or the cardstock. That was an interesting, just a nice plain blue one. So nice, so we have some solids. This is really nice. Some polka dots. So we have a lot of similar patterns with just different shading and different patterns. These are going to be a lot of fun to work with. Such bright, colorful collections. I like this one. This one's fun. So that's really cool. You get a piece of turquoise, it looks like, ribbon by Doris. I think it's called turquoise organza. So that you get a nice big, you get a nice piece of that, nice length. So I'll make a card using that, hopefully. You do get some enamel dots. These ones are kind of like a pinkish. Sorry, it threw me off because normally it goes from large to small, and this one ended up with large in the middle, and I don't know, it just threw me off for a second. I don't know why. Maybe I was thinking there's 2 different colors. Yeah, so you get some nice, almost like a strawberry daiquiri pink. And of course, you get the stamp set by Scrapping for Less. And it has a bunch of different weather icons like clouds and sun, a nice beautiful rainbow that you can color in. And the sentiment says, let's weather this together. And after every storm, there is a rainbow. Really nice little sentiments and a nice little stamp pack, stamp set. So that's what you get for collection number 3. For collection, the last one, number 4, is called Little Lady. This one I definitely saw a lot on the Facebook channel. So if you're interested, it is there. They have a group that show, kind of like a show and tell. But this one definitely stood out, and I was wondering where it was, just because it's cute, and you'll see, it's really cute. So it's called Little Lady, and you do get the envelope. And I will start with the paper, and this is bold and beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is like really bright and really stands out, but if you can utilize that on a card, that just screams beautiful. Like, I don't know about anyone else, but I love that. So let's just quickly go through these. Nice patterns. Oh my goodness, look at these. Those are really cute. That one's fun. So this one has a lot of fun colors and black and white, of course, but the patterns are really, oh my goodness. Nice leaves. So this one's really fun. This one's really bold, lots of reds and blacks, really beautiful patterns, and it's just a nice assortment of different shapes, patterns, colors. Really, really fun. Now let's get to those cute little things I saw earlier. Actually, first I'll go with the enamel dots. So the enamel dots is like an army green. And then the next thing you get in this collection is the ephemera pack. So I believe this is all done by Scrapping for Less themselves. They design them, and you get quite a bit this time. So let's move this out of the way. So it's all ladybug themed. Look how cute these are. Oh my goodness. This is the one I saw on Facebook, I believe. Look at all these little ladybugs. You don't get just one. You get a whole bunch of them. Leaves. These all match the pattern paper extremely well with that black and red polka dot. Nice colors. And there's a cute little ladybug. Lady hugs, or ladybug hugs, and then a nice bigger flower. So that's what you get in collection number 4 as for the ephemera pack. And then you also get a piece of red crochet thread. Nice piece of that too. So each one of these kits pretty much had a ribbon of some sort. I think only one of them didn't this time. I also forgot to mention on collection number 4 that we do get the stamp set. I just got so excited with all this that I forgot to actually say there's also a stamp set. And it comes with another one of those really cute ladybugs with some few sentiments and a flower. So we have every little thing will be all right, awesome, you are awesome, and the flowers. Just really cute little stamp set to add to this lovely collection. Okay, so the next thing I get is the banana split. Now, if you don't pay for the banana split, the first 4 kits, or collections, sorry, are the ones you would get. If you pay for banana split, it is a little bit more, but you get the little extras. And this is what you get for banana splits this month. You will get a stencil, and it's called Raindrops and Cloud Stencils. I will say that it seems like cloud stencils are very popular recently. Oh, sorry about the noise. Because I bought one myself because I didn't have one, and now I have 3. Or 4. It actually might be 4 now. But the nice thing is, they're all different. And just like any clouds in the sky, they all look different. So this one is not the same as the one that I have of the other ones I've got. These ones are much smaller. So it's not a big deal. I was just being a little silly there. But you get some nice clouds, and this one's nice because you can just maneuver it like that. Now, the interesting thing is you get the bottom piece. And the reason I say that is because I've been trying to figure out how people do their clouds at the very bottom of the card. Because whenever I got to the bottom, using this one, I didn't know how to color underneath, so it didn't go over on top, if that makes sense, the previous color. So I think this might be the solution to that. Because if that's that case, then I can put that over and now I can color the bottom. I really think that's what I'm going to try. Then you get this nice, fun raindrop. And you know, I was thinking, I really got liking that paste. I don't know if anyone has ever used it. It's like a glitter paste. If I had a blue one or even a pearlescent white one, that'd be fun for a background to put that on. Anyways, so you get a stencil. And let me just open up the little goodie bag. You get a bag of little sequins by Scrapping for Less. And these ones are really tiny and really colorful. They almost have a sheen to them. Hold on 1 second. I think they'll look a little better if I actually got this from one of the kits from Scrapping for Less, so a couple months ago. So I might as well use it. I just want to see what these look like out of the package. So as you can see that, really bright. They almost have like, some of them almost have like a pearlescent color, and then they just change colors when you move them. Really small, really cute. You also get a die, and this one says, "You got this," I think. Sorry, I can't read it backwards. You got this. Yeah, that's what it says. So that's, and it looks like you actually get to cut out the die outline, the bubble. So that is actually amazing. Just that fine little detail. That's awesome. Thank you very much for that. That's going to make a really cool card. And then the last thing you get in the banana split is some embossing powder. And it is a random color. I don't know what anyone else got, but the color that I received looks like a purple with a mixture of white in it almost. So I don't know if you can tell, it's like a purple with some white in it. So I'm not sure if that's a special kind or if it's just the way it looks like purple. I don't have any purple. So this will be fun to use and add to my collection. So that's everything that you get for the Scrapping for Less May card kit, which is called Let's Encourage One Another. I absolutely love it. Everything in these kits are just getting better and better in my opinion. The card stock is just full of beautiful pieces, from really bright ladybug colors to almost that vintage lemon cardstock or pattern paper. Really fun. I can't wait to get started, especially even with this die, some purple. I mean, come on. I mean, this kit is really fun. I don't know if there's any left for sale, but I can tell you that if you're interested, definitely get on board and start subscribing to them so you don't miss out. Definitely looking like they're getting better through time. Not that there's anything wrong with them before. There wasn't. I'm just saying they're getting really good. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Please stay tuned for my 5 cards usually I make to come maybe within a week. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.